Hello, welcome to Learn Chinese with Yuki. I'm your Chinese teacher. 我是你的中文老师。Lecture 1. 拼音 Tones. Chinese syllables. Most of the syllables are the combination of tones, consonants, and vowels. For example, China, 中国. These are consonants, these are vowels, and these are tones. Tones. Fact 1. When you see the symbol of the tones, you know how the words are going to sound. Fact 2. There are only 4 tone symbols. The 5th tone is a soft tone. It has no symbol. Fact 3. The tone symbols are always written on top of the vowels. So let's get started. The first tone, high and flat. The symbol is a flat stripe. Ma, ma. It means mom. Ma. The second tone, low to high. The symbol is like a stripe to the sky. Ma, ma, means Jude. Ma. The third tone, low to the bottom, then up to high. The symbol is like a V shape. Ma, ma, means horse. Ma. The fourth tone, high to the bottom. The symbol is like a stripe to the ground. Ma. Ma means to scold. Ma. The fifth tone, soft and short. It has no symbol. We usually use this tone with the second word in the double word phrase. Mama. Mama means mummy. Mama. Now let's put all the tones together and listen to the difference. Ma, 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 mama. Now this time you repeat after me. Ma, 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 mama. Let's do one more example. The first tone, high and flat. The symbol is a flat stripe. Ba, ba. It means 8. Ba. The second tone, low to high. The symbol is like a stripe to the sky. Ba, ba. To pull out. Ba. The third tone, low to the bottom, then up to high. The symbol is like a V shape. Ba, ba. Means handle. Ba. The fourth tone, high to the bottom. The symbol is like a stripe to the ground. Ba. Ba. Means dead. Ba. The fifth tone, soft and short. It has no symbol. We usually use with the second word in a double word phrase. Baba. Baba means steady. Baba. Let's put all the tones together and listen to the difference. Ba, 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 baba. Now you try to repeat after me. Ba, 把爸爸爸